And speaking of inspiring, here's our Kid of the Week. Julian Frederick is a 12-year-old from Texas who believes no kid is too small to find their way around the kitchen. He was only 3 years old when he baked his first cake. He made lots of big messes along the way and had lots of failed recipes, but he also had lots of fun. He wants to help other kids too, so he put together online cooking classes for kids to help give families something they can do together. Now that's a tasty idea. Hi, Julian. When I'm cooking, I make lots of mistakes. Do you make mistakes too?
Oh, I make mistakes all the time. In fact, the other day, I was making myself a bean burrito for lunch, and I had actually put too much milk in it, and it was all runny and liquidy. But I decided to put cornstarch in it, and it thickened up. So I always look back on my mistakes and see what I can do to fix it.
What advice do you have for kids who want to get better at cooking?
I have this motto, it's always okay to make mistakes, but it's not okay to stop trying. It's all about not giving up.
Julian, you're using your mistakes to help kids. And for that, you get our Kid of the Week trophy.
Wow, thanks Ryan, thanks Titus, this is so awesome.